During this video, you will learn how to locate literature reviews in PubMed. We will execute a search to find literature reviews about cardiomyopathy. After we retrieve our results, we will use the filter on the left side of the page to narrow our search. Under Article Type, we will click on Review. This will retrieve all types of reviews and mostly exclude systematic reviews. Nevertheless, literature reviews will be easier to find. Above our results, we see a green band that says Filters Applied, Review. When we view the abstract of the article and scroll down to the end of the screen, we see the heading Publication Types. This publication type is indexed as a review. It will be up to you to discern whether it is a literature review, narrative review, scoping review, and so forth. A more specific way to limit your search to literature reviews is to put those terms into your search string. For example, let us execute another search for literature reviews about cardiomyopathy. Go back to the main PubMed search screen and click on the link that says Advanced. When you arrive at the Advanced search screen, you will see your first search under History and Search Details. We will use this interface to create a search string. We will type the phrase literature review in quotations and click on the Add button to add it to the query box. Next, we will type the phrase review of the literature in quotations and click on Add with Or. This will broaden our search. After we have entered our key phrases into the query box, we hit the search button. After we have retrieved our results, we will click on the Advanced Search link to return to the Advanced Search screen. Under History and Search Details, we will want to add Search 1 back to the query box. Under Actions, we will click on the three dots and then we will click on Add Query. For Search 2, we will do the same, except this time we will click on Add with And. Looking at the query box, we can see how PubMed's Advanced Search Builder automatically puts in the proper syntax necessary to execute this search properly. We will now hit the Search button. Our search terms appear in bold in our search results. Our terms retrieved literature reviews about cardiomyopathy. This concludes our presentation on locating literature reviews in PubMed. If you have any questions, please contact us by email at library@lmunet.edu. Please be sure to include your school in the email and the campus where you are located.